The ratio of blue to black pens in a box is 3 to 5. What fraction of the pens are black? What fraction are blue? So we've got blue, and I'm going to do those in a blue colour. So it's 3 to 5, so I've got 1, 2, 3, so exactly the same size boxes. And then I've got black, needs to be exactly the same size. And it's 3 to 5, so I need 5 of these. There we go. Okay, so now let's just for visual purposes put them side by side. So I can see that there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they're each going to be out of 8. And how many blue? There's 1, 2, 3 blue out of 8. And how many black? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black out of 8. A farmer keeps cows and pigs on his farm. The ratio of cows to pigs is 2 to 3. What percentage of the animals on the farm are cows and what percentage are pigs? Okay, so we've got cows and pigs. So cows is 2. So 2 of exactly the same size boxes. And then pigs is 3. Okay, and I know I want to work out percentage, so I know that these must add up to 100%. So for visual purposes, so you don't necessarily need to do this if you can do this in your head, that's absolutely fine. I'm just doing it to make it really clear. So I've got 5 boxes altogether, and I know that they're going to total 100%. So I need to do 100 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 20%. So each of the black boxes is worth 20. Which means that the total for cows is 40%. And the total for pigs is 20, 40, 60%.